Alright, all aboard! Start the engine! Woohoo! Connor! Yes!
Nice color.
Wow! Go, fix him. He got derailed.
Okay, let's put the engine down. And then go. Okay.
It's Connor, boys and girls.
Please do it to the television.
Woohoo! Oh no! Oh no, he crashed. Connor crashed. Connor crashed. Oh no, he got derailed. Oh no! Oh!
Hey, he's the best. Hey, Samuel. You guys down. Okay, you guys down.
Alright, there he goes again. He's back on the track. And this time, he's on the right track, I believe. Oh no, he crashed again. Yeah, because you need to put the tree up, Julian.
Daddy!
Oh no, the people inside!
They climb inside the coaches!
Oh no, it's alright. Now put him back on the track. Put him back on the track. Make sure that all the wheels are on the right track.
Let's put Steve the colors track.
Okay, alright. Turn the engine on.
Okay, I need to pick up
Oh, you want to put the troublesome trucks?
to the steeping. Wow, I need to put the paint and the stones on it.
Alright.
Okay. Uh-oh. No.
Alright, ready? All set?
No, that's not there. Uh-oh, sure did.
So you want to put all the load, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool.
Like that too. Okay. Uh-oh, there. Okay, next that one turn.
Alright, all set? All aboard? Turn the engine on. Woohoo! Connor! And the troublesome trucks.
You have to leave the stone, the paint, that too.
You need to hold the tree, Julian. Hold the tree up. So Connor will not crash.
So she not cut down. So I need that the tree, so she not cut down.
Yeah. Hold it up. There you go. Woohoo! Wow, good job, Connor. Good job, Connor. And good job, troublesome trucks. Woohoo! Nice one. Wow, no, Julian, Connor is so long now with the troublesome trucks.
Okay, put the tree up. No!
Oh no, I told you to put the tree up. Oh no! What a big mess. What a big accident. Look what happened. Oh no!
He just crashed in the snow and the color track fell down. The paint then fell down. Look at the paint. The paint's to the colors track and stones fell down. This one fell down. The other stone fell down. The colors fell down. The color fell down.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, let's put Stephen back the wheels. Cause I pushed the tree down. Okay. Then